Hey, let me show you how you can pair your Philips Bass Plus headphones into your PC or laptop. So first of all, you have to find the power button. It's located actually right here, and you have to click and hold it until this indicator turns on. There we go, now you can release. And then click and hold the Bluetooth button until this indicator turns white. So keep holding, it will take around a few seconds, and right now it's on the white. So it means that we are in the pairing mode, and put it close to your PC. And now you can simply go into the Bluetooth settings. So go right here, open the settings. Then go to the left side to the Bluetooth and devices. Click on the switcher and then tap to add device. Now select Bluetooth device. And select your Philips SHB3075. Click right here, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Right now, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.